Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, news headlines in English for 19th of December. And first of all, national news. Government to amend insolvency law to reduce time taken for resolution process. Karnataka to hold special assembly session at disputed Belagavi tomorrow. PM Modi's views on nuclear weapons impacted Russia amid Ukraine war, CIA chief. Rent allowance should be extended to all paramilitary personnel. Quote. India's Sargam Kaushal is Mrs. World 2022 brings crown back after 21 years. Congress promised farm loan waiver, revival in Madhya Pradesh comeback bid. Mormugao, India's latest stealth warship, commissioned into Navy. Aimed cyber attack, cops seek info on China, Hong Kong based web addresses. Karnataka to hold assembly session in district at the center of border raw. Many killed each year. Chief Justice took on dishonor killings. India pushed for a new dedicated fund for biodiversity conservation. Red card to unrest corruption in 8 years. PM on BJP Northeast scorecard. And now international news. PM Modi's views on nuclear weapons impacted Russia amid Ukraine war. CIA chief. North Korea fired 2 ballistic missiles. South Korea. China's cities battle first wave of COVID surge as wider spread looms. Uganda lifted lockdown in Ebola epicenter. Government remain on high alert. Russia fired over 70 missiles in one of its biggest attacks on Ukraine. Indian origin Leo Varadkar re-elected as Ireland Prime Minister under rotation deal. 5.4 magnitude earthquake hit oil producing region in US Texas. US Capitol riot panel to vote on pursuing Trump criminal charges, a report said. UN EU slammed Elon Musk for suspending journalists from Twitter. Angelina Jolie left UN refugee agency after more than 20 years. And now some sports news. Drake placed USD 1 million bet on Lionel Messi's Argentina winning FIFA World Cup title. FIFA World Cup closing ceremony will be held ahead of the final. Gareth Southgate to stay on as England manager. Pakistan ended day 2 of the ongoing third test against England at 21-0 as the horse trailed by 29 runs. Harry Brooks' century gave England edge in third Pakistan test. The top 4 goal scorers of FIFA World Cup 2022, Lionel Messi, Kylian Mbappe, Olivier Giroud and Julian Alvarez will play in the final. And now news related to business. India's gross direct tax collections up by 26% to 13.63 lakh crore for financial year 23. From 4G towers to IIM campus, PM Modi's rupees 6,800 crore gift to Meghalaya, Tripura. Budget to say 25-year template, FM Nirmala Sitharaman said. SEBI to reduce timeline to clear IPO documents. Center states working on property discoms data sharing to widen GST payer base, CBIC. GST Council agreed to discriminalize certain offences, doubles limit for launching prosecution to rupees 2 crore. News from Science and Technology. NASA launched satellite for landmark study of Earth's water. No evidence of alien activity on Earth so far, Pentagon's UFO report said. NASA's Hubble Space Telescope captured breathtaking images of a star-studded cosmic cloud. Astronomers discovered 2 water worlds 218 light years away. And that's all in news. Thank you.